Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you a very cool experiment with salt and pepper. Ready, steady, go! First, we pour some water on the plate. Then sprinkle some pepper onto the water. Then try to dip your fingertip in. Nothing really happens, right? Ew, dirty, like germs! Now get some soap or hand gel on your fingertip, like this, and dip it into the water again. All the germs are running away from the soap or hand gel. Look! That's why we need to wash our hands properly. There are 12 steps to wash your hands properly. You need to sing Happy Birthday song 2 times. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Now it's your turn to do it. See you next time. Goodbye.